Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to format a USB drive on your Mac. It's a really useful skill to have, whether you're clearing space, making your drive compatible with other devices, or just giving it a fresh start. In this video, we'll break down the process into easy-to-follow steps. We'll cover different formatting options, explain why you might choose one over another, and address some common questions you might have. So grab your USB drive, plug it into your Mac, and let's get started. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support helps us create more content like this. Okay, so the first thing you'll want to do is make absolutely sure that you have backed up anything on your USB drive that you want to keep. Formatting will completely erase all the data on the drive. This is really important. Double, triple, even quadruple check that you've backed everything up before proceeding. I can't stress this enough. Alright, with that warning out of the way, let's get started. Step 1. Open Disk Utility. The first thing we need to do is open Disk Utility. You can find it by going to your Applications folder, then Utilities, and then double-clicking on Disk Utility. Alternatively, you can just search for Disk Utility using Spotlight Search, Command plus Spacebar. Step 2. Select your USB drive. Once Disk Utility is open, you'll see a list of all your connected drives on the left-hand side. Locate your USB. It's usually listed by the name of the manufacturer, or sometimes just as untitled. Pay attention to the size of the drive to make sure you're selecting the right one. Step 3. Click Erase. With your USB drive selected, click the Erase button at the top of the Disk Utility window. This will bring up a new window with formatting options. Step 4. Choose a name and format. This is where you give your drive a new name. Choose something descriptive, like Backup Drive or Photos Drive. This name will be what appears on your desktop and in the Finder window. Now for the important part, choosing a format. This is where it can get a little confusing, so let's break down the common options. *APFS, Apple File System. This is generally the best option if you're only using the drive with Macs running Mac OS High Sierra or later. It's fast and efficient, but not compatible with older versions of Mac OS or Windows. *Mac OS Extended, Journal. This is a good option if you need to use the drive with older Macs running Mac OS Sierra or earlier. It's also compatible with Time Machine backups. *exFAT*. This is the best option if you need to use the drive with both Macs and Windows computers. It's compatible with most modern operating systems and allows for files larger than 4 GB. If you're unsure, exFAT is usually the safest bet. *MS-DOS, FAT. This is an older format, also known as FAT32. It's compatible with virtually all operating systems, but it has a file size limit of 4 GB. So if you plan on transferring any files larger than that, don't choose this option. For most users wanting cross-platform compatibility, exFAT is the way to go.